Children, all of you on the camera now.
Sir, I'm not feeling well. Is it all right if I keep my camera off?
Not feeling well. What is the problem with camera then? Not feeling well. What is the problem then?
Okay, I'll turn it on. Yes, sir. 1 second.
Rikshit,
Yes, sir, I'm on.
you are a new one. Rakshit.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is my video like seen?
No. It's totally blank.
Last time also same issue. Wait, sir. I'm fixing it.
Okay, leave, no problem. But next time you just try become just like on the camera.
Sir,
that
only in when you are the host, it's not working, sir. Otherwise, it's working all right. Something is wrong with Zoom.
If I make you the host, you can on your video. If I make you the host.
I don't know, sir. I'll have to see.
Rikshit, should be proper. Just see your hairs. Amit, you too also. Okay, I can just see your hairs and all. Rikshit, make your camera properly. Your name is Rikshit only, right? Rikshit? Yeah, all right. Now see, introduction part. We are going to start with introduction here. First of all, what we are doing over here is first basic concept. I just try to understand over here, all of you. See, first of all, here is who is telling I'm not able to understand. Anyone who is telling something?
Yes, sir. I have problem with trying to understand, sir. Like I'm not able to understand how to represent the like I think root on the
Number line,
number
right?
line. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you from starting. See, natural numbers start from 1. All counting numbers are natural numbers. Okay. The first part got clear. That is, all counting numbers are what? Natural numbers. All right.
Yes, sir.
Second number in counting number is starting from 1. If you add 0 to it, that become whole number. All right. So 2 points we understand right now. That is natural numbers and whole numbers. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Now integer you try to understand. Integers are whole number line, right? But it should be proper number. It should be proper number. Negative, positive, as well as 0. These all are what? Integers. You should write what? Proper number. It should be what? Proper number. It's not 3 by 4 is not an integer. All right. So all
Yes,
natural numbers, negative numbers, and 0 together are called integers. Okay. So be proper means perfect number, right? So minus 3 by 4. This is not the integer. All right. So all natural numbers, all negative numbers, and 0. All 3 including is what? Integers. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Next part is rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Which we can represent in A by B form. Suppose A by B form, where B or you can write here P by Q form. Any form you can just write. P by means numerator by denominator form, right? Numerator by denominator form, where Q should not be equal to what? 0. Clear? This denominator part should not be equal to what? 0. Clear?
Yes.
All right. So here what we are doing is we can write the rational numbers as P by Q, and Q should not be equal to what? 0. If it become to 0, what happens, children? It becomes infinity, not defined. So we are not dealing with 0 over here in denominator part. All right.
Okay, sir.
So rational numbers are the numbers which you can write in P by Q form. Suppose 2. 2 is a rational number. You should tell yes. Why, Amit? Because we can write 2 number as P by Q form. 2 by 1 is what? P by Q form we wrote, and where Q is not equal to 0. So 2 is also rational numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can say all integers are rational numbers. All integers are what? Rational numbers.
Rational numbers.
2 by 3 is not an integer, but this is a rational number. Okay. So small
Okay.
difference is what?
Yes.
Integer means perfect number. Rational numbers is P by Q form. All right.
Okay, sir.
Find out. So next you see here, this is okay. To find any rational number between two numbers A and B, how to find rational number between any two numbers?
Mm,
Suppose I'm telling,
Sir,
yes, Harini, tell
so
me.
first you have to check if the denominators are equal. If the denominators are equal, then you can multiply both the numbers into 10 by 10.
Yeah, you can do that. Yes, there are 2-3 methods are there, Harini, to find the rational number. Okay, between any two numbers. Suppose you are having 2 and 3. How many rational numbers you can write here? How many rational numbers we can write
Sir,
here?
infinite.
Infinite. Tell me around 2-3 rational numbers, 3 numbers between this two.
Sir, 21 by 10,
21 by 10.
22 by 10,
Okay, means you are
23 by
doing this one method, right? So children, try to understand what Harini is doing over here. Rational number between 2 and 3. Okay. Suppose 1 is hidden over here, all right, correct? So we want, suppose, few rational numbers between these two. So what we can do from our side, we can do 0, 0, you can just multiply over here, 0, 0. So this is just like 2 only. If you multiply here also by 0 and 0, you must just put over 0 and 0. This become 20 by 10 and this become what? 30 by 10. So in between how many numbers you write here, no? That becomes what? Rational numbers. Right, 21 by 10, 22 by 10, dash, 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 till 29 by 10 we can write. We can write around 9 numbers between this, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Siri, it's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want 100 around 50 rational numbers between this and this. So we can write same thing only.
So then you can find numbers between the numbers between these two numbers.
Yeah, any numbers between 20 and 30 we can write down, and those numbers are between 2 and 3. Okay. Suppose we need 50 around 50 numbers. So same 2 between 2 and 3. So what we can do here, same thing you do.
So then you can write 21 by 10 and 20, like you can find the numbers between 21 by 10 and 22 by 10.
Yes.
You can multiply it by 100.
Yeah, you can multiply by 100 with 2 and all. So this become 200, this become 300. So you can write 2 not 1 by 100, like that you can write till where? Till 299 by 100 you can write, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is the first way of finding the rational number between two numbers. 2 not 1 by 100. You read in class 8, Harini, this one.
Yes, sir.
So this is now 299 by 100. Yeah. So many numbers you can write. Suppose now if I ask you, find rational number between, I'll just give one gap in between over here. Suppose I'm writing here, writing one question that find.
Sir, actually, I use a different method, sir.
You're using a plus b by 2.
No, sir. What I do is that I put the rational number and then I multiply it with, let's say, 9 or 5 or any random number, both the rational numbers.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
I do that mostly.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
See,
sir.
find rational, I'll fill right here, find rational number between 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. Then what is the first step? Step number 1, I'm telling
So
you.
make the denominators equal.
First step is, yeah, already is telling correctly, make denominator should be equal. First what? Denominator should be what? Yeah, tell me, Amit, what you will,
The 12.
sorry, Aditya, what you will do in this case?
Sir, first I will find the, I'll multiply both the, no, I'll find LCM of 3 and 4.
Yes, you are correct. So denominator should be equal. First, your step should be denominator should be what? Denominator should be equal first. If it is not equal, you have to make it equal, right?
Yes.
So to make it equal, we have to take LCM of 3 and 4. Okay. 3 and 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So 3 and 4 LCM would be 12. Now, first part is 2 by 3. Second part is 5 by 4. We have to multiply by what? 4 and here also 4. What time over? Want to go everything you revise, right? Yeah, just take your time. If you want to go, you can move. Yeah. So here you should multiply by 3 by 3, not 4 and all. You have to multiply by 3 by 3. Why you understood why you multiply 3 by 3?
Yes, sir, because the
So
denominator
because
should be
other
12.
So this part, if you multiply, it should be 12. Okay.
Yes.
So here we'll write 12. So we got two numbers, 8 by 12 and 20 by 12. Okay. So between 8 by 12 and 20 by 12, we can write how many numbers you want. You can write. If those numbers are not sufficient, suppose 9 to 9 by 12, 10 by 12, dash, dash, dash till 19 by 12. If this number of not sufficient, what you should do? Sai, Aditya?
Sir, they multiply it with 10.
Yeah, after that you can multiply with 10. If this number are not sufficient, you can write here 80 by 120. Write properly, huh?
Yes.
Write 80 by 120. Again, you can write how many numbers you want in the middle. Clear to everyone, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this is the second method we have to do. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
The
Yes,
same
sir.
method has been taught to your in your
Yes,
class, Aditya?
Yes, sir. Actually, I do this method because I find it easier. But in class also, they do a different method actually.
Okay, there's dividing, the adding and dividing by 2, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is one different method also, yeah. So which is easier to you, you can do in that way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose next question is irrational numbers. Now, what are irrational numbers?
So numbers which are not integers.
Numbers which are not integers
the numbers which can't be written in 8 by Q form.
can't be written in P by Q form. Okay.
Yes.
So you're saying not the integer. Not the integer is maybe rational number also, right? It's not irrational. So you're saying that the number which you cannot write, which is not integer, you told, right?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So 2 by 3
So
is not
because
an
all
integer. So this is what? Irrational number.
Sir, 2 by 3 is an integer too, right?
2 by 3 is not an integer. Integer is perfect number. 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, like this. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So these all are what? Perfect. Perfect numbers are integers. Okay. So 2 by 3 is not the integer. 2 by 3 is a rational number. Okay.
Yes.
But our new topic is irrational number. So irrational number are the rational, which you can, he is mentioned over here, which you cannot write in P by Q form. So can you tell me any example of this?
So pi.
Pi.
Root 2.
Root
Sir,
3.
10 by 3.
Root
10
7.
by 3. 10 by 3 is what? P by Q form only. This is a rational number. Already.
Sir, pi.
Sir, but then it's a reoccurring number.
Yeah, it will come 3.33, keep on going, right?
Yes, sir.
The rational number, sir.
So this is not the perfect condition, Harini. What should be the condition I'm telling right now to you? The irrational number should be non-terminating, and non-recurring, okay? Both
So
things
it
should be
should be
there.
non-reoccurring.
Yeah, non-terminating, non-recurring. Both should be there. If it is
Sir, root
recurring,
2.
root 2 is, yeah, the answer will be what? Root 2, root 3. It never ends, it never recurring. So both should be, both conditions should satisfy, all right? Both conditions should what? Satisfy. Non-terminating and non-recurring. Clear? Non-terminating.
Sir, a term should be reoccurring. Then only it is irrational, right?
Recurring also can be there, and it is it may terminating also. See,
So because you
rational,
wrote non-reoccurring.
non-recurring, yeah.
So
Non-recurring.
reoccurring means never ending, right?
Acha, non-terminating and what? Recurring?
Yes, sir.
No. Recurring means is rational number only, Harini. Suppose 10 by 3 is what? Recurring. What is this? This is recurring. Recurring is what? Rational number. Understood, Harini?
Okay, sir.
So both conditions should satisfy at a time. At the same time, both conditions should satisfy, then only it's what? Irrational number, otherwise not. So don't get confused over here. Okay? Because this, if it is non-terminating, non-recurring should be there all the time. Okay? Non-terminating means is not good. Suppose you are writing 3.33. This is not going to terminate anywhere. This condition satisfied. Right? This condition satisfied, no, Harini. Suppose you are writing 10 by 3.
Yes,
This
sir.
is not going to terminate, right? So at
Yes,
the same time, this also should happen. Non-recurring. Okay? But this is recurring. That's why this is not the irrational number. Clear? So children, this is very important concept. That is, the number should not be terminate and should not be recur. Both should happen at the same time. Rakshit, it's clear to you? I can't hear you, Rakshit. Okay, I think your mic, you are having a problem in your mic. If you want to say something, you can chat also. Okay, you can just type the message. All right. Something is. Now it's now
Yeah.
it's better.
Yes, sir, I understand.
All right, fine. Siri, you are understanding non-recurring. Recurring means what?
Yes.
Terminating. See, what do you mean by terminating? Which will go at some places and end. Suppose from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay, Hyderabad to Bangalore on flight is there. So starting from Hyderabad, right? And terminating at where? Bangalore. So termination point means what? Ending point is where? Bangalore. So the number, irrational number should not terminate. It's not terminate. It's not going to end anywhere. Okay. And it's not recurring. What do you mean by recurring here, Siri? Siri, what is recurring?
Sir?
What is recurring? What is recurring?
number.
Recurring.
So recurring means it will constantly keep coming back again. It will repeat.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
recurring
Suppose,
means the number keeps on repeating.
yeah, 2.3 bar if you are writing. So
Then 3 will be
2.33333333333
infinite.
till keep on telling the 333, it's not going to end. This is known as recurring. Siri understood. This is known as what?
Recurring.
All right.
Yeah.
So
Sir?
yes, tell me.
Sir, in non-terminating, the numbers repeat, but they have a different number, right?
Non-recurring means it should not repeat. Not repeat means suppose you are having root 2 value is there, no? So 1.141, 1.414. 414. We can't guess which number will come. Okay, it will not repeat, it will not recur. Here this bar should not be there. Understood? Bar
Okay.
is there means that will going to repeat. Suppose I'm writing here 1.23 bar. It means what? 1.23232323. So this is what? This is rational number. This is not irrational. Understood?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So it should not be bar. It should not terminate anywhere. So both conditions should satisfy at the same time. So this part is over. Suppose root 5 also same condition, 2 point something will come. I think 5, 6 or 5, 6 something will come maybe. I'm not sure, but 2 will come in front of it.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, then what about pi 22 by 7?
Yes, I just coming to that concept only right now. See, pi value, we know that is 22/7, right? We know that pi value is 22/7. But small thing you should understand over here, that is pi and 22/7. Which is rational, which is irrational?
Sir, pi is rational.
Pi is irrational, okay?
Pi is irrational.
Pi is irrational, but the same way this one is what? Rational, okay? Because this value will not going to terminate anywhere. 3.14 something and all will come. Nothing is going to repeat anywhere. But this is what? This is form of what? P by Q form. So this is what? Rational number. Very important concept. Pi is irrational, but P by Q is what? This 22/7 is what? Rational number. Clear to everyone?
Sir, is
Yes.
22/7 is the estimated value, right?
Yeah, estimated value you can say, or approximate value. This is right, because we are writing in P by Q form. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But pi value will be endless. It will never end. This will never end. All right. Is it clear to everyone, children?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to see here, just see real numbers. What are real numbers? All rational number or everything what we learned till now. What we have learned till now, like natural numbers, whole number, integer, rational number, everything coming under what? Real numbers. Okay. Everything come
Okay,
under
sir.
what? Real numbers. What we learned till now. Whether you read natural number, whether you read whole number, whether you read integers, whether you have read rational numbers, whether you have read irrational numbers. Okay. All these numbers are what? Real numbers. All right.
Yes.
All these numbers are what? Real numbers. Then you might be thinking, what is the opposite of real numbers, right? Which all numbers are apart from, different from real numbers, right? Any number is there which is not real number?
Irrational numbers.
No, irrational
yeah,
number is also
irrational.
real number only. Irrational number is also real. See, this part is coming under real numbers.
sir.
Everything. See, this box is rational number.
All numbers are real numbers, sir.
All numbers are here real numbers. So anything you know, which number is not real number? Anything is there which is not real?
No, sir.
Any one of you can think and tell me? Any one of you can tell me what are not real? Real means what? Real, what is the opposite of real? Opposite of real.
Unreal.
Huh? Unreal.
So
Sir, it's
fake.
pi.
Fake.
Fair. Fair you are saying.
No, sir, fake.
Oh, so real means fake. Yeah. One is fake. Real means fake. You can say it in math, but you can say imaginary. What we call? Imaginary
Imaginary.
numbers. So real opposite is nothing but what? Real opposite is what? Imaginary. Okay. This imaginary is not there in your syllabus. Okay. It's not there in your syllabus. You have to read in class 11th. Okay, children.
Sir, what about root 2 -1? -1 root.
That's right. Those things are imaginary number. What you're saying now, root of any negative number. Okay. Root of any negative number is what? Imaginary number. Clear to everyone, children?
So zero is both real number and imaginary, right?
Zero, how can be -0 you're saying?
Yes, sir.
No, any number should be there. No, zero is, you can't say which is number also. It is not, we can't write, no. Root of zero is what? We can't find. So you just write numbers, any number over there. Okay. So root of any proper number, you write 2, 3, whatever you want. Negative number if you're writing. Okay. Negative number if you're writing, what you should do? Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes.
any number, but you should write in exam. This is not there for you. This you should write in which class you should write in class 11. The chapter name is complex numbers. What is that? Complex number. So complex number is the combination of real and imaginary both. Real and imaginary. So don't get anything means what is this and all. If you want to read, you can read separately if you want to learn. But right now we are not going to read this complex numbers, right? So what are complex numbers? Complex numbers are the numbers which is a combination of what? Real and imaginary numbers. Is it clear to everyone, children, what I'm saying right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So very interesting concept. So till now it's clear to anyone? Anyone having doubt till here? Number.
It's clear.
So natural numbers, real numbers, integers, and then we have what? A rational number and irrational number, right?
Yes.
So these numbers we have read. Now we are going to the next concept. That is what is coming now. Exercise is coming over here. Okay. Is everything see? Now exercise 1.1. All of you check it out, children. Exercise 1.1, very easy concept. Okay. Very easy concept. Try to understand. These all are the numbers which we have to do right now. Okay. See question number 1, children. Okay. Question number 1 is 0 a rational number? I'll ask to whom I should ask. They should answer only. Okay. Shriya. Sorry, what's Shriya, right?
Siddhi sir.
Siddhi, yeah. Siddhi, tell me, is 0 a rational number?
Yes, sir.
Why it's rational number? Because why? Why this is rational number? Because we can write the 0 in P by Q form. Okay. So this is
Yes,
what?
sir.
Rational number. So you should tell what? Yes. 0 is a rational number. Can we write in P by Q form? Obviously, yes. So we can write 0 by 1. So this is the final answer. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next question over here is find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4.
May I answer?
So yeah, tell me, who want to answer?
Sami.
Yeah, Aman, right?
Yeah.
Aman,
30.
make the camera properly. I can't see your face. Yes, tell Aman.
31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10.
Yes.
34 by
So
10.
this question can be done. What Aman is saying that 3 and 4 you write as it is. Divide by 1 is already there. You just add 0 from your side. Multiply with 10. So now whatever you can write in between these numbers, these all are rational numbers between. Yeah, Harini, you were telling something?
No, sir, I wanted to answer the next question.
Okay, fine. Okay, Harini, this is also a very easy question. 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5.
So 31 by 50, 32 by 50, 33 by 50, 34 by 50, 35 by 50, 36 by 50.
But simply what we can do here is just 0 and 0 you just write at numerator and denominator, and just you can write 31 by 50 and all you can write down. Is it clear? So put over here
Yes,
what
sir.
Harini is telling, it's clear to everyone. 0, 0 you write at numerator and denominator. I can write here 31 by 50. Same, it's almost same question, right? But only here difference is only here in first one is 10, here's 50, that's it. Come back. Now see, next question over here is state whether following statements are true or false. Yeah, tell me, Harini, first answer.
So first one is true.
Obviously, all natural numbers are whole numbers. So this will be
Yes, sir.
true. Every integer is a whole number.
Sir, false.
Why this is false, Rikshit?
So that's false. The last one is false.
Sir, because integer consists of negative numbers also.
Yes, correct. And every rational number is a whole number.
So false.
False. Because 3 by 4 is not the whole number. Okay. So I think first exercise, this much only is there for you people. That's it, I think, right? Correct, no? Or you have any more
Yes.
questions?
Sir, no, sir, we have only those questions.
I think 1.1 you have this much only, right?
Yes, sir.
1.2 you might be having more questions. These questions are the extra questions what I've done over here. So many extra questions we have done here, okay? I'll just discuss later on all these questions. Let me check the next exercise where what we have done over here. Let me check. So representing real numbers, that is your second exercise. See what is mentioned over here. This very different concept is mentioned here. See how to represent this. This is a different question. This is not the root thing. Okay.
Okay.
Here is mentioned that represent real numbers on a number line. If it is a real number is given to you like 4.2626, how we are going to represent this on a number line? The first step you try to understand. I'll go step by step. Okay. Where you have doubt, you ask. Okay. So this is the thing. So question here is 4.2626. All right. So this 4.2626 lies between 4 and 5. Lies between what? 4 and 5. First you make one line over here, 4 and where? 5. Again 4.2 is there. It should lie between where? 4.2 and 4.3. First line is clear to everyone? First line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you're putting one line over here. See, it's coming out of it. So 4.2 we write on left and 4.3 we write on right. Okay. So 4.2 we are writing on left and 4.3 we are writing on right. So now we'll start 4.26 is there, right? Where 2626 will come? Just try to understand. See here. 26 and 27. This lies between what? 26 and 27. 26 and 27. All right. Again, we are taking out 2.6, 4.26 and 4.27. We'll write here 4.26, 4.27. And here you see 4.262 is coming. So now it's between where? Where is between this one? See? So we have done right now 3 steps. First, second, third. 3 steps is clear to everyone?
Yes.
This is very silly
Yes.
question, but you have to understand one just question I've just given here. It's very easy question. Sai Aditya, I don't think you have done in class this one, right?
Yes, sir.
You have not
Actually,
done
we
this
are
question.
only at like 1.3.
So I don't think you have done, this question, you might have done root things, right? Root 2, root 3 and all, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And that only you are not able to understand, right now?
Hmm.
All right. After this, I'll start with that only, okay?
Okay, sir.
So after this, children, all of you try to understand this 2.6 and all is coming here and here. And we are getting the answer in between over here. This is the final answer. So I don't think anyone will have doubt. If you're having children doubt and all, just let me know. Anyone is having doubt in this? Any other steps? There are 4 steps over here. Where it went? Yes. So we have this answer as 2626. See here. So this is the final answer what we have. Tell me anyone having doubt? There are 4 steps over here. In any 4 steps, if you're having doubt, you can ask me. Right now, let's share in the chat WhatsApp group so that you can understand. You can go through it once. Okay. So let's move further with root things.
Okay, sir.
Anyone knows how to find roots and all? Root 2, root 3 on a real numbers? On a number line, you know, how to find, how to
No,
do a root thing on a number line? This one, operations, you know? Aditya,
no,
Sir?
you know operations or real numbers? Operations on real numbers.
No, sir. I'm telling right, sir. We only started with 1.2. After that, we did not do anything.
But
I was actually not well since yesterday, so I did not go to school.
okay. So what all things you remember? What all things you have done? And what all things are pending? What all things
Actually,
are
on the first day, sir, actually, our school teacher, he made us like revise the old laws of exponents and such things. Actually,
laws of exponents?
yeah, we did that, and then we only recently started the chapter. All of those old formulas, things like that, we revised.
Okay. So many things we have done earlier here. And so I'm just erasing the simple part. Again, we'll do all this concept from see how many questions we have done earlier. Operations on real numbers, everyone knows what is addition, what is subtraction, everyone knows, I believe.
Yes.
So same thing, I just tell you once again, what is rational number, how to add rational number. See this, a small this addition and difference and all everyone knows. 3/4 plus 7/4 is what? 10/4, that will become 5/2. This still here, I don't think anyone having doubt. This 3 or 4 lines, anyone having doubt, please let me know. Normal addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Anyone knows? Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
So these 4 are basic things what we are going to, what we have learned already in this from childhood only, right? Now next thing is, if you add or subtract rational number, then you have doubt. If we add or subtract rational number with an irrational number, then what to do? Suppose you are having 5 is a rational number. Root 7 is a rational number. Then if you are going to add anything, rational number, this is nothing but what? This is combination of this both is irrational number. Combination of this both is what? Irrational number. Okay. So if you're writing rational number, then irrational number, both becomes what? If you add this both, it
Real
becomes
numbers.
what? Irrational number. Clear to everyone?
yes,
So rational, irrational combination is irrational only. If you add or subtract whatever you do, you'll get what? Irrational number. Next, if you multiply or divide by a non-zero rational number with an irrational number, then also it's what? Irrational number only. Suppose if your 7 is a rational number, if you're multiplying with root 5, or if you're dividing with what? Root 5. These both are what? Irrational numbers. Okay. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 4. Sum, difference, product and quotient of two rational number. What is that? Suppose here you are writing here root 3 plus root 3 becomes what? 2 root 3. So two rational number if you add, it become what? Irrational only. Now this is irrational number minus irrational number. This is rational. It becomes what? Rational here, right? Sometimes what? Suppose if you do 2 root 3 minus root 2. What is this? This is rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Rational or irrational? Which is this?
Irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational. But here one example is there which can be rational also. If both numbers are irrational minus irrational, this can be rational also. Okay. It's not compulsory that two rational, if you subtract, it will become rational number only. It can be rational also, it can be rational. Next, you see root 6 and root 6 become 6. So irrational and irrational becomes rational. So these are the small things which you can understand by seeing the question only. That are irrational number or rational number, whatever the thing is given, that you can understand easily, right? Now, next concept is what do you mean rationalization? Rationalization means you have to multiply or divide by something so that root part will go off. Okay. To remove what? To remove root. Okay. Why we are rationalizing? To remove root. Clear? Suppose your question is what? Harini, on your camera. Aman, make your camera proper. Amit.
Yes, sir.
Camera proper.
I'm writing suggestions.
See what we are doing, children, here. We are just, why we are using rationalization? To remove the roots and all. Okay. Suppose I tell rationalize. My question is rationalize root 7.
So we will multiply root 7 by root 7, I think so.
Root 7 is not be asked. It may write like 1 by root 7, like this they'll ask.
Yes, sir.
So here I'll ask you rationalize the denominator. What I'll ask you? Rationalize the denominator. It means that, what do you mean by this? You mean that we have to remove root from denominator. Okay. What do you mean by rationalization? Means we have to remove root from denominator. How we can remove root, children, here? One small example I'll just tell you right now. Root 2 into root 2. What is this, Amit? Root 2 into root 2 is
Yes,
what?
sir. So I think it's
Don't-
2 only.
Don't say root 4. Only say 2. Okay. Easy.
Yes,
form.
sir. 2.
Root x into root x is what?
X.
X. Try to understand, children. Anything multiply in root twice, that will come out of the root with single thing. So here, if you want to remove this root, what you should multiply and divide? If you multiply with root 7, what we can write, children, here?
Sir, 1
Only
by 7.
7. Clear?
Yes.
So if you are multiplying with denominator here, they should upper part also you should write. So your answer is what? Root 7 by 7. This is the final answer. It's clear to everyone, children? And now you check it
Yes.
out. Here is root 7. And now here becomes 7. So we have just removed the root part from denominator. Clear, Rikshit?
Yes, sir.
Second question I'll ask you. 1 by 2 root 2. What you should do in this?
We should multiply with it. We should multiply 1 by 2 by root 2 into 2 by root 2 again. By 2 by root 2.
Multiply by only root 2 and root 2 multiply. What you should do?
The
1
denominator.
by 2
Yeah.
root 2 into root 2 and into root 2. You can just multiply. What you'll get? Root 2 divided by 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So right like this only, I just give you few questions. You tell me the answers for this. Okay. Third, you should tell me the final answer like this. What the answers, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So done.
Okay.
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Hmm? Yeah, send me right. It's clear how to do. I mean, it's still so many questions are there, how to move further and all. Okay, so many questions are there like this only. You have to do. So, okay.
Done. Should I send the answers?
Answers you have sent. Yeah, I have received that. Answers you have you have just written over your answers
Sir,
are.
where should we send the answers?
Yeah. See here, you can cancel 2 and 3. You can cancel. You can write here 2 by 3 root 3 and you can multiply with what? Root 3 and root 3. Correct? So answer is 2
Yes.
root 3 by 9. Correct? Did you get same thing?
No, sir, I got 4 root 3.
By
Sir,
18.
we have to.
Yeah, I got by 18, sir. Yeah, 4 root.
Yeah, you can
3 by
cancel
18.
later on, no? You can cancel, they'll get the answer. 9 root 5 by 8 5 is 40.
Yeah,
See?
sir. Yeah.
So these are the same concept, children. You can just see once, okay?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, for the third question, so we have to write it like 4 root 3 by 18 or 2 root by 3. No, 2 root 3 by 9. How should we write?
Just you can cancel it off. 18 is there, no? Just 4 and 18 you
Yes.
can cancel, but 2 by 9 only will come. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So like that, you can just try it out. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children, that's for today. You can leave now. Just I'll give you questions based on this. You can just try once, okay?
Okay, sir.
So that's for today. You can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thanks, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, children. Bye.